Hello everyone, you're welcome to today's class. So in this class we'll continue and we're going to conclude on word problems for this class. So we'll look at examples. So we want to look at word problems with fractions. So we want to see how to solve them. I told you in the previous videos that the best way to that you can use to learn word problems is to try as much as possible to solve more questions on word problems. So I will still compiling questions on word problems, which I will still publish in one of the videos that I'll be releasing on this platform, in this channel, so that you can practice a lot with you have enough to practice with. Sorry. So we'll have three examples here. So we'll be taking them one after the other with deep explanation. So the first one, solution here. Solution. So the first one we have find 1/5. You can see what problems with fractions. So most of our interpretation will be leading to fractions. That's what it means. So find 1/7 of the difference between 24 and 42. When I was explaining some and differences, I made mention of positive difference and negative difference. In this case, just the difference. This is talking about the positive difference. Is that clear? So in that case, you're going to find the positive difference between this and this and multiply by what? 1/7. Because 1/7 of the difference between this, that is 42 minus what? 24. So that means we have 1/7 multiplied by, when you subtract this is 6, and this is going to give us what? 16. Am I correct? 24 minus 42 minus 42 minus 24. So this is 6. That gives what? 8. This is what? 1. So that is 18. Sorry for that. So you multiply, that's 18 divided by 7. So you can't leave it this way. This is improper fraction. So that is 7 and 14 and 18, that is 2, which is 14, remainder what? Remainder 4 or what? 7. So this gives us the final answer. So let's look at example number 2 that we have there. So number 2 says 3 of a certain number. 3 of a certain number is added to 2 o number 1 over 2. The result is equal to 1 o number 1 over 4. This is also straightforward. 3 of a certain number. 3 of a certain number. We don't know the number, right? Is added to this. The result is equal to 1 over 4. Subtracted, this 1 over 1 is subtracted from 2/3 of the number. Find the number. So in this case, let the number be 1. So 3 over 5 of the number, 3 over 5 of y, that is y, is added plus 2o number 1 over 2. The result, that is, it is equals to 1o number 1 over 4 subtracted from, that is, this is subtracted from 2/3 of the number. That is 2/3 of y is being subtracted from this one. This one is subtracted from it. So this is what we have here. So what are we going to do next? So this is going to give us 3y over 5 plus 5 over 2 equals to 2y over 3 minus what? 5 over what? 4. So you can see we can collect. So we collect like terms. So that means we're going to have 3y over 5, then minus 2y over 3 equals minus 5 over 4 minus 5 over 2. So we find the LCM, then we solve. So let's solve. This is 15, and this will be 5 in 15. That's 3 times 3y. That is what? 9y minus 3 in 15, 5. 5 times this that is what 10y, equals to find the LCM of this one, that is 8. Am I with you? So 4 in 8, 2. 2 times minus 5, that's minus 10 minus 2 in 8, 4. 4 times what? 5. That is what? Minus 20. Right? So subtract this one, that gives us minus 1 divided by what? 15 equals what? Minus 30 divided by what? 8. Minus 30 divided by 8. So we can still reduce this to lowest term. 2 can go here, 4. 2 can go here, 15. So when you cross multiply, you have minus 4y equals to 15 times minus 15. Right? So divide both sides by what? Minus 4 by what? Minus 4. This cancels this. So we then have y equals, so when you multiply 15 by 15, so this is 5, that is what? 25, 7, 5, 1. That's 225. So minus 225 divided by what? Minus 4. Minus cancel minus. So y equals, so 4 here, that is 5. Remainder what? 2 in 25, that is what? 6. Remainder what? 1 all over what? 4. So the number, so we can conclude that the number is 56 whole number 1 all over 4. I hope this is clear, right? Alright, that is that on this. So the number is of 56 whole number 1 all over 4. So let's look at the third example. We are very careful with this third example. So the sum of 3 numbers. We have 3 numbers. We don't know the number. So the first one, let's say A, B, C. The sum of the 3 numbers, when you add them together, we get what? 30. Am I with you? So the middle number, the number at the middle, which is this one, is 5 less than the largest number. Is 5 less than the largest number? That is, this will, which means this is C minus 5. So this will be what? C minus 5. While the smallest number, which is this one, is 1/3 of the largest. 1/3 of the largest. You can see that the middle number is referring to the largest number. The smallest number is referring to the largest number. So which means we can say that, wait, let the largest number be something. Are you with me? Let the largest number be something. Since the first and the second one are referring to what? The largest number. So we'll conclude that let the largest number, let the largest number be, let's say, x. I told you that one problem, once you know how to interpret, you don't have problem with it. That's because when Mr. Aku was explaining, he used this style. No, you have to read the question to understand. So if you read the question, if you don't understand it, if you don't read to understand, you will not get it. So that's why it's very important you read in between the lines. So let's look at it again. The sum of 3 numbers is 30. The middle number is less than the largest, is 5 less than the largest number. While the smallest number is 1/3 of the largest number. Find the 3 numbers. So let the largest number be this. We have this one. We now go back to the question. We start from here. The middle number is, so we just say middle number now. Middle number. We've known the value of the largest number, which is x. Middle number will then be 5 less than the largest. That is largest minus 5. That's it. 5 less than, that is largest minus 5. While the smallest number, right? Smallest number is 1/3. 1/3 of the largest. 1/3 of what? X. So this is the middle number. This is the smallest number. This is the largest number. So the question is, we now go back to the beginning. The sum of the 3 numbers. Sum of the 3 numbers now. So that means sum of the 3 numbers. Sum of the 3 numbers. Of the 3 numbers will then be x the largest number plus the middle number, which is x minus 5, plus the smallest number 1/3 of x. Everything will be equal to what? 30. Equals what? 30. You can see the interpretation. Then we can then solve for the value. So that means we're going to have x plus x. So that is 2x minus 5. This will be 2x minus 5 plus x/3 equals what? 30. So we can collect like terms. This will be 2x plus x/3 equals to 30 plus 5. So make this one number 1. Find the LCM of this. This is 3. So that is what? 6x plus x. So that is 1 in 3. 3 times 2x, that is 6x. 3 in 3, 1. 1 times x equals to what? 35. Am I with you? So we can then find the value of this one. Let's come to this side now. So when we come to this side, so we have, this will then become 7x/3 equals what? 35. So this is over 1. We can cross multiply. We have 7x equals what? 35 multiplied by 3. Divide both sides by 7. 7 cancels 7. 7 here 1, 7 here what? 5. That means x is equal to what? 15. So which means the largest number is 15. So the largest number, since the largest number is 15, so the largest number is 15. So the middle number now, what will the middle number be? The middle number will then be what? Don't forget the middle number is x minus 5, the largest minus 5. X minus 5, that is what? 15 minus 5, that is 10. While the smallest number here is 1/3 of the largest number. Smallest number is what? 1/3 of what? 15. That is what? 5. So if the numbers are the first one 5, 10, and the what? And 15. If you add the three of them together, you still get what? 30 to confirm your answer. You can see one problem is so simple. It's so simple if you put your mind in that this thing is very simple. Just make sure when you are reading it, read in between the lines. Read, don't rush. Why solving what problem? Don't rush. Try to understand the question. Read it carefully to understand. Understand it, then interpret it. So the unknown, change it to any letter of the alphabet. Then solve the equation. Form equation from it, solve the equation, and what? Interpret your answer now. Write your answer down. Very simple. So I wish you best of luck. So that is the end of word problems in this class. On this video, so this is where we're going to stop on word problems. So subsequently we look at other aspects of word problems. By the time we get to some topics, so we look at how those topics can lead to word problems. You understand? Like for example, we talk about talking about simultaneous equation. So we have word problems leading to simultaneous equation. We have word problems leading to inequalities and so on and so forth. We have word problems leading to what? Quadratic equation and so on and so forth. So when we get there, so this is all preliminary, but this will prepare you when we get to that stage. You'll be able to interpret well, right? So you can go through the videos, the previous one again and again and again, just to get the nitty-gritty of word problem. So that is the end of this video. So if you are new to this channel, so subscribe so that you and put on your notification bell so that anytime I release video, you'll be able to get the instant notification of it and be able to benefit from it. So and if you find this video useful and helpful, so don't forget to give us a thumb up and share the video with your friends and family. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye for now.